This is a demonstration of our implementation of the draft lightweight authorization using ephemeral Diffie-Hellman-Klose, also known as zero-touch network join. To demonstrate this, we are going to use the DotBot platform, which is a easy-to-use swarm of microrobots for education and research purposes. You can see here on this video how it's possible to control one or more DotBots using the buttons in the gateway, for example. So let's go back to the specification and look into the diagram. So here we have one entity, which is the device, which in our case, we will have two. We have device number 1 and device number 2. And they will be trying to connect to a domain authenticator V, which is our gateway. This connection happens over Bluetooth, and we are using just the physical layer of the Bluetooth connection. And finally, we have the enrollment server, which is W, which we can observe here in this graphical user interface. We can observe the access control list with the allowed DotBots, which right now corresponds only to DotBot number 1. And we also can inspect the authorization log of the tries to join in the network. So let's execute it. First, I'll begin by connecting to the logs of my gateway. And now I will proceed to turn on device number 1. What happens is that the, the device builds an ad hoc message with the EAD field extension with the correct parameters of the authz specification and sends a message to our gateway, which forwards it here to our .bot manager, which is W. And we can see here that interaction was authorized. So a voucher was created and sent back as part of message 2 to our device. So let's do the same with device number 2. And as we can see here in the user interface, it was unauthorized because device number 2 is not in our access control list. Therefore, the device does not receive a voucher and is not joined in the network. Now, normally when I try to control the devices, the message that is sent as a broadcast, so all of them would respond. But right now, since only device number 1 was able to connect, only device number 1 will receive the commands and operate as part of this swarm of robots connected to my gateway. All this implementation is available as open source in our implementation of ad hoc and lake-authz, here Lakers. And we also provide the implementation of W, which is our .bot manager at this web page. This is it. Thank you.